Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we will continue our identity library and it will about creating our claim extend method. Let's have a look our controller, admin controller. Here we go. Alright, we created our user list. Now the next one is going to be public async. Oh, sorry, task action result. So what was the name of our extend method name? Let's go our view and have a look the name of our action because we already gave the name extend claim. Okay, we can use this name. Alright guys, first of all we need to find the user. Equal await user manager dot find by name. The name is HTTP context. It must be HTTP context. The heart of our application. Dot user dot identity. Oops. Dot name. Yeah. So this is not going to be null because we authorized. Yep, perfect. So we have a user in our hands now. Let's find the claims. Await user manager dot get claims user. So we have our claims. Now we need to find our claim var expire date claim await. Actually, we already found our claims, right? Let's claims dot first. We can use first or default. I'm gonna use the first or default. Doesn't matter. X dot type dot contains. Yeah, contains will work. There is a couple of ways to do it. If you know your type name 100%, you can use string and use a operator and blah blah blah. Or if you just know a couple of words, like for example, our type name is admin observer expired. If you can just use the observer to find your claim type, okay? I'm gonna use content. It's much more better to find out uh, type name observer. So we have our claim in our hands. So this is with key and value together. So we need to we found our existing claim now, but we need to assign new claim. Let's create our new claim, new extended claim, new claim. The name is going to be same admin. Oops, sorry. New claim. We add our namespace. Now let's give a name. I'm going to use the same name, admin observer expire date. And the second is going to be value date time dot now dot at days. I guess we decide to do it 5 days to string. Yep, perfect. So we add our new claim, string type and string value. Type is name, the value is our expire date. So all we need to do is renew our claim, guys. Var renew claim await user manager dot replace claim async. This is the method we need to use, and it is asking us a user, old claim and new claim. Let's add them all. User is user. Expire date claim. Actually, we can name it existing claim, new extended claim. Okay, it's better name. Existing claim, comma, new, what was the name of the new claim, new extended claim, yeah. And it must be done. Perfect. Anything else? So user and existing claim might be null, but they are not now because we authorized. And while we signing up, I mean registering, every user will have to have a claim, so it cannot be null as well. But um, what about admin? Admin won't be problem. Admin doesn't have any claim, but admin won't have any extend claim button, so this is just for members, so it won't be a problem. If renew claim yeah, dot succeed, guys, we can send a toast message here. Let's create it. Private read only I toast, is it toast message or toast notification? Toast notification, yeah. Toaster, toasty. I always say toasty. Let's edit. Okay. Uh, yeah, we can add here a toast message, but I'm gonna make it negative. This is going to be failed, and the succeed is going to be outside. But before that, let me see our messages. Let's go to service layer. Messages, identity. These are identity messages. Notification messages, identity. User edit, sign up. Yeah, this is the observe activation, right? I can use a public one again. Let's add here public const string. So this is going to be about extend claim. Actually, I can use a username. Should I use it? No, no, leave it like that. User has 5 more days. Alright, it's done. Actually, I'm gonna do it success. Let's control D, and we need a failed. User um, extend user extend method is failed. Okay, let's save it. We can use these two messages. Let's use them all now. Are those static, right? Let me have a look again. Yeah, these are static. Admin controller. Now we need to use toasty dot add error toast message. Not what was the name of our class? Notification message. Notification message. Notification message identity dot extend claim failed. This is our message, guys. What was the second section? Is new toaster options. Oops. Sometimes this C# makes me crazy. Control space, toaster option. Yeah. And title will be I am sorry. Alright, it's done. I'm gonna copy this toast message to down. Let's change it to the success. Let's type this. Congratulations. Congratulations. Alright, so we need to make we yeah, we need to make a return. We need to use a return here. So where so we need to use a redirect to action. Redirect. Oops. Direct because I'm not gonna assign any view to this method. Mm, redirect to action. So we need to go the user list. No, get user list, sorry. The controller name is admin. The area is new area admin. KD. And both of them is going to be same. Let's save it. Okay. So it must be worked now. Let's have a try. Let's go our, oops, sorry guys. Let's go our view. Admin. Let's view in browser. Is it expire? Yeah, this is expire. But I'm gonna add a 5 days. So it's gonna be 7. Yeah, it can be expire again. If it's expire again, I can click one more time. It doesn't matter, it's alright. Test video lesson. The password is password 12 star star. But we can change the algorithm maybe. Just extend just for 5 days. What if the latest date is 1 year before? We can figure that out. Let's try to button now. Yeah, this is the problem. What is the null here now? There is a null. Let's put a breakpoint and let's try. And let's have a look. Is there any change here? No, it's same. Okay, let's try to use a breakpoint, but before that we need to use a debug. Let's open debug mode and let's put a breakpoint here. and try now. Yeah, here we go. Let's go step by step. This is our user test admin. We're trying to change the claims for the admin. We need to, all right, we need to send the ID of the person that we clicked. Okay, that is the problem now. So just stop it. Let's have a string user ID. Just say ID. Okay. So we need to find user by ID. Okay. Find by ID async. Perfect. Now let's go to our user list. When we click this section, we need to send the ID of the user. So how can we send? Hmm. But we can't send the ID because our user v model doesn't have ID. So we need to send the username. Username. Let's Control Z again. Just say username. It's Control C, Control V. This is the username. We just need to send the username now. Data data root. Oh, not row, sorry. It's a data root. Data, what was the ASP root? Yeah, username is at item dot username. Alright, we can send the username now. Let me think a little bit. Alright, we will send the username. Let's try one more time within browser. When we click the extend claim button, our application sent the username to our controller and our method will find the user by the name. Password 12 star star. Okay. Now try to extend. Yep. User has 5 more days. Okay, we forget to change the error to success, but user has the valid claim. Let's have a look now. Execute. Alright, it gives 10 days as why we got 10 days. It's interesting. Let's make it again. 05. No, 02. Actually make it 01. Execute it. Let's refresh it. Let's click one more time. We have again 12. So it makes 5 days to today. It's okay. Actually, this thing solves our problem. It's automatically at 5 days to today, so we don't need to extend all the time. Okay, perfect. It works very nice. Let's amend the notification color. Let's go back to our controller. Both of them is error. Let's make it success. Okay, all right. So it's now working. Let's see how many minutes have been done. It's almost 20 minutes. Uh, we've finished our user list and extend our claim. Is there anything should we do? By the way, I would like to point out something which is really important. As you can see, let me log in from another section now. Let's make it again 02. Refresh. So the user needs extend claim. Let me open my Chrome. Let's copy my address to the Chrome. Let's go to user. I'm gonna log in with member, password 12 star star. As you can see, user don't have any permission. We didn't log in, log out. We're just waiting to grant permission. Let's go to our admin page. We grant the permission, then go back to our user section. When we click the admin page, we will able to see the page. Let's try. Here we go. Why it's working? If you remember, we have a policy. This policy checks our cookie, and if there is a refresh data in database, it's refreshing cookie automatically, and user experience don't interrupt in this time. Perfect. But while I was doing, I saw error message again. Why we still have error message? So we have success toast message here, and error message here. It's not succeed, it's succeed. This is failed succeed. I would like to see just why we have a red error message. Maybe we need to close and start again. Within browser. I'm gonna make it 02 again. Let's try the toast message one more time. Yep. Let's extend for 5 days. Yeah, it's green now. Perfect. It's working. Let's close and save everything. Um, on the other lesson, we're going to do some refactoring. We are going to move those commands to the service layer, and we go back to our sign up method, and we're going to add our claims and the roles, everything. Then we going to finalize our identity library for good. Hopefully it's going to be finished, and we will continue our probably the logging section for the next lesson. Okay, let's finish this lesson here. Take care of yourself, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you need some questions, ask some questions, drop comment below the video, and do not forget to turn on your notifications. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.